So we got all these squishies, and I'm gonna unbox these two, and my sister is gonna unbox these two. Okay, pause it. First we have this dumpling. I think it's gonna be yellow, but I'm hoping for the glitter. We already have the yellow. I really want the blue, or like, actually even the green, or the purple. We don't even have a purple yet. Okay, really excited. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh wait, is there tape? No, it's just hard. Oh, yay guys, we got purple! It's like really like thin skin, and it's like really good. Hey guys, it's my turn to open this dumpling. I like felt it, and I hope it's like glitter. It's like heavier than the other one we have. 2, 1. Green, yay, I wanted green.
Oh my gosh, it's so good.
Oh yes, okay. Now it's my turn to unbox the dice.
Hey guys, she's opening the dice.
Okay, let's see. Oh, this is like big. It's like watery. Okay. Look at how jumbo. Oh, this is like fast.
That's
rise.
so
It's like
pretty.
weird. It's cool though. It's almost like if it has Orbeez inside.
Guys, I have the fuzzball.
Be really careful. I'm really excited about this fuzzball. We asked customer service and they're like, yeah, I think we have one more.
This
I was
is
like so happy.
good.
Wait. Oh, this is good. Okay, and then we just got this game controller. Thanks for watching. Bye.